St. John's University is a Catholic Vincentian university founded in 1870 in Queens, New York City. We have 15,000 students. We provide liberal arts degrees as well as professional degrees, and we're also a pretty good basketball team. My role is to be kind of fluent in all the various technologies that we're looking to implement at the university. As part of our emerging technology team, we've been tasked to look at various AI solutions across the industry to figure out what are ways that we can cut costs, improve efficiency, make it so that menial tasks that are repetitive, that either sometimes still require paper, and how do we make those simple and easy so that way they're not somebody spending 10 hours a day looking at documents. Some of our existing tools, our platform tools that we use, they do not necessarily work well with outside applications and tools. So we've had to go in and look at purchasing other third-party tools like iPaaS solutions to figure out how we can get data from one space to another in order to allow those other tools to be more informed about how our students are performing. Legacy vendors that we work with, they're not agile enough for our use cases where we need to have that data in certain places to make sure that we have the correct information necessary to inform our students as well as to inform our path as the best way to run our institution. We ultimately chose Streamline because we see that it's the next evolution for St. John's. One of the things that the university is really, really big on is data. How can we leverage the data that we have on our students, on how their academic success is working for students who want to come in? And we want to leverage all of those facets in a way that we can actually then build out processes from admissions to advisement to purchasing to make sure that we can provide them a stable and high quality education. Now that we have the ability to add in that extra data layer, to pull in information from our various systems and then to write them back out again, Streamline is going to really help coordinate all of that information in one nice, succinct way and to talk to our various systems that may not talk to each other with native integrations. Salesforce is one of those tools we just purchased. So we're just starting to get into Salesforce from a CRM perspective for prospective students, as well as we're using it for currently enrolled students. How are they performing? Are there ways that we can reach out to those students? With a Streamline front end, we can now have those students fill out things like their academic requests for advisement, financial aid, which will allow us to, as a complete package, understand the student experience. Where Streamline comes in as an advantage and as a better tool for us is we can now take events from other systems, have them automatically trigger a workflow within Streamline, and then have that tool actually be the workflow, be the piece that directs the student where to go next. What's the next tool they need to talk to, and send that data along as a nice succinct package. And at the end, then we can put it into something like a data warehouse and we can query off of it, and pivot off it and see, okay, was this an efficient way to do something at the university? Streamline can actually look at those documents, take that information in, automatically fill out the form, and then highlight there's other pieces of information that we don't have that we need to fill out. And it streamlines that form down to a nice, easy way for us to get data in, get into doing our job, getting to work, and then exporting that out again so that we have record of it being completed. We've really started to think about where can Streamline take us. We have almost 2,500 forms in our account. With Streamline, with the tools that are being built within that product, we can easily take the forms and move them more into an intelligence tool where we can leverage the data that we own, that we've thus far not used in order to fill out some of these forms, and providing that information in a nice, simple dashboard for an advisor. So Streamline, for us, we're really hopeful and are looking forward to these developments because they're going to allow us to streamline the process down into a simplified experience for our students. St. John's definitely would recommend the Intellistack products. You have such a really good support system within Intellistack, as well as you have some top-notch tools and developers working to make sure that what we need built within those tools is available for us to then actually use.